My one regret will be leaving you on your own. What if you can't feed yourself and just starve to death? There are some devils in the world that can take over dead bodies, or so I've heard. If you happen to be one of them, Pochita, I hereby give you full permission to take whatever's left of me. Then you get up and leave this town. Be ordinary. I want you to live a normal life. Die a normal death. You'll live out the dreams I never could.
It's not like I was asking to be breaking king of the world. Dreaming of a normal life is enough to keep me going. But I don't even get to have that much!
Pochita. You did it, huh? Took my body like I asked.
Just so you know, I've always loved listening to you talk about your dreams, Denji. Here's a new contract for you. This time you're getting my heart. In exchange, show me your dreams. That's all I ask.
Pochita! I won't know it!